Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable 120Hz refresh rate on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So to do it, just go to the settings, then I'm gonna go to the display, and now let's find the motion smoothness. And if you set it to adaptive, then it'll have 120 Hz from sometimes, and if it's not needed, then it will automatically switch to 60 Hz if it's just unimportant at a moment, and standard will have 60 Hz. After changing this setting, click on apply. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.